Here I have Samsung Galaxy Note 20, and today I'm going to show you how to get the iOS volume panel slider on your device, on this device. So as you can see, now I have the standard volume slider here, the standard Samsung volume slider, but actually you can get the iOS one and have the volume slider like on the iPhone devices. All you have to do is to just download the app Volume Styles, customize your volume panel slider application from the Play Store. Then you have to open it, tap Start, then you have to give it an accessibility services permissions like this. And now here you have to select the iOS slider, and as you can see, now I have volume slider like I have iOS device. Wow, unbelievable. The Android with iOS volume slider. You have another sliders on this device too. For example, you can set yourself another iOS slider. You have here this iOS 12 slider. Look at this one. And here you can use it like this too. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.